Welcome everyone, this is Crossing Seas. This is my new blog, crossingseas.com, and we're going to be talking about AWeber Review 2020. And if you don't know what AWeber is, it is an email marketing service provider. If you're into email marketing, you probably have already heard about it, but AWeber is my favorite one to use. It's also the one I started with. I just really enjoy it just because it's super simple, reliable, and easy to use. It's effective too. This is where I make a lot of my money, especially starting off. AWeber is really good because they have a free plan, but this free plan has conditions. So one of the conditions of the free plan is that you don't go over 500 subscribers and that you don't send over 3,000 emails a month. If you're gonna do that, you're gonna have to upgrade to the Pro plan, but the Pro plan is not so expensive. So if you just want to start off with the Pro plan that just unlocks all the features, it's going to be $19 a month. And as you can see, it goes up. So after the free plan or the basic Pro plan, you get you only pay $29 a month. And when you're up to about 500 subscribers, they say with your email list, and the amount of emails that you have equals about $1 a month. So if you have 500 emails subscribers, you're going to be making about $500 a month, which you can cover the AWeber. You could cover the AWeber costs. And so as it goes up, you can see that AWeber also increases as you get more and more subscribers. And in fact, if you go up to so much, they don't post their prices. You're gonna have to call AWeber for pricing. So if you go to 25,000 subscribers on your email list, you need to call AWeber for pricing. Now, one thing that I find really interesting is that with AWeber, you get all the features. So if you have this plan, you unlock all the features of this plan. So you don't actually get more features as you go up in price. What you do is you get more volume of subscribers and more so yeah, that's pretty much it on it. So starting off, if you're brand new to email marketing and you're more in this area, AWeber is really good because you have all the features and it's inexpensive and it's effective and it's simple and you don't have to make things too complicated, but they're still effective. That's my main thing. I love how easy it is just to create an email. And we're going to cut and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an email. Alright, so let's head over to AWeber. Alright, so this is my AWeber account. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple design. This is the dashboard. As you can see, I have no one right now, but this is just my demo account. Core Crossings list. Yep, that's who I am. Alright, so messages. So you could draft, broadcast, split test. Let's go to the campaigns. This is one of my favorite things right here. Oh, this cut off a little bit. Sorry. Alright, so campaigns. So really easy. So there's a trigger. So when someone subscribes to your email list, there's a trigger and it'll start this campaign. So this is the tag, the welcome campaign. So you could add more tags. I could apply a tag. I could go, hey, likes cats, enter, and then that becomes a tag. So everyone who subscribed to this will get a welcome campaign tag and a likes cats tag. And then when they go through my email campaign, I just keep on putting more stuff, and then I have them wait a day, put another message, and then I could even put another tag if I want to. And as you can see, get tagged, they send this, they get another tag, welcome, remove tag. It's oh yeah, you could also remove tags. So it says apply tag, welcome, remove tag, welcome campaign. So it also removes this campaign. But one thing I'd like to point out, and I think is really cool, is that the drag and drop emails. Alright, so this is the email that's going to be sending. I think this is pretty cool. This little thing, you could have personalized subscriber info for your line up here, and then let's go here. So if you want to thank you for subscribing to us, and say you want to put any subscriber's name in here. I always thought this was cool. You click on personalized subscribers info, first name. So whatever info you collect, if you get the name, you get the email address, whatever it is, AWeber will set it up and then put their name right here to really personalize it. And my screen capture is a little off, but it's a drag and drop. Let me see if I could fix it for real quick. All right, so I think that's a lot better. So you could even add buttons. See, I want to put a button right there. Click here, and then you can even choose where it goes, things like that. And so let's see, let's move it up to the side, and as you can see, I get this button. I can click here, and then I label button. I put a URL. I could send it to YouTube and YouTube.com, and you click here, send it right there. You could do the size of the pixels. You could even do the font, text color, all that stuff. All right, so for me, I really like AWeber. This is one of my favorite features. Another really important feature I would say would be the sign up forms. You can just create a form right here, and these are all the different ones, and there's a step-by-step process. I'm not going to go through all of it, but this is just a sample form. But you could click on this one if you want it, or you go to popular ones. This one looks the pointer, and so you can see they're kind of cheesy, but the cool thing is with their integration, you don't have to use their funnels. In fact, what I do is I use this one, delete that stuff, and I just go through steps, and I actually integrate it with ClickFunnels. So they integrate with a bunch of people. All right. So some of the key features that I thought you could are good. You could email and host email lists. You can import and host email lists. They have tons of templates and newsletters to sign up, and sign up forms. Easy to use autoresponder, effective marketing automations, email designs, and that adjust to the size of your device. So you may have a design you look at it on your computer, it looks good, and sometimes you look on your phone and it looks horrible. Well, they adjust, they're responsive. You could do split testing on your forms and on your email list. You could also they call it a blog broadcast. It really makes it easy for you to send out a newsletter about your blog. So you can also, this is real important, list segmentation. So let's say list segmentation is really important. So let's say you sent them a promotion and they bought it already, and then you don't segment your list, and then you just keep sending them emails over and over about that same offer, then they're probably going to unsubscribe you because it just gets annoying. I know that's what I do. They have a basic landing page builder plus templates. This is one of my points that I don't think AWeber is strong in. That's why I actually integrate with ClickFunnels right down here. Integration with loads of third-party apps like ClickFunnels. Right. Well, and they also, if you're having problems, they have really good phone and email and live chat. So their support's really good. So in summary, I totally give AWeber 8 out of 10. It has its shortcomings, but it also has a lot of advantages. It's very simple and easy to use. But if you're more advanced, if you want more advanced segmenting techniques and marketing, then AWeber might frustrate you. And also, if your list is so big, AWeber might not be the one that you want because it might become too expensive. You might actually want to go with someone else like SendLane. But I know guys that are way more experienced in affiliate marketing that actually still use AWeber. but I've also heard some more advanced guys talk about how things like SendLane would actually be less expensive. And like, share, subscribe. Thank you again for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Also in the description box below, I'm going to have a link to my #1 way to make money online, and it'll send, just put in your email and name and email, and then I'll be able to send you a link. That link will send you to the same guys that trained me. So I would like to give you the same opportunity I had. And you guys have a good one. Have a good rest of the year. Hopefully 2021 will be a better year than 2020.